Making payments for your shipment orders can sometimes be a little annoying just because of all the little fees that you have to pay here and there. Whether you're paying on Alibaba Trade Assurance or you're doing a wire transfer, there's some sort of fee that you always have to pay wherever you go. In this video, I'm going to show how you can save a little money and put some money back in your pocket, especially when you guys are doing your Alibaba Trade Assurance orders. Let's go. What's up guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you guys are new here, my name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA content twice a week just for the Prestige fam. So if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. If you guys have an Instagram, definitely check out my Instagram where I release FBA content almost every single day. So definitely go check that out at the official Andy Lam, and I'll leave a link to that below in the description. If you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video and I'll tell you exactly how you can be entered into winning that. And if you guys have a Facebook, you like Amazon FBA, you're interested in Amazon FBA content, or you have questions, definitely join my Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind Facebook group, and that is also down below in the description. But in this video, I want to save you guys some money, especially if you guys place orders on your shipments using Alibaba. So how exactly do you actually do that? So if you're just starting out Amazon and you're not ready to place your order yet, definitely bookmark this video somewhere so you don't forget it. It's definitely going to come in handy, definitely going to save you some money and put some money back in your pocket. But if you're already selling on the Amazon platform and you've made orders via Alibaba or wherever, you've definitely dealt with fees, whether it's a flat rate from your bank or whether it's 2.9% via credit card charges on Alibaba, you've definitely dealt with these charges and there's no way to kind of escape them, especially if you're sending money overseas. It's extremely hard, extremely annoying, and it definitely cuts into the profit and definitely cuts into the money that's in your pocket. So you may be thinking, Andy, 2.9% isn't that much. It's negligible. I don't really have to think about it. It's not too much. I'm balling, I'm throwing money everywhere. No guys, 2.9% definitely adds up. Just to use it as an example, if you place, say, a $10,000 order on Alibaba Trade Assurance and you charge it to your credit card, that's a 2.9% charge that Alibaba takes, and that's $290 out of your pocket, out of your profitability of your product. And I don't know about you guys, but $290 can last a good ways. It could pay for a couple meals or a really nice meal or a few plane tickets or a plane ticket. I'm just saying, if you guys don't want 290 bucks, feel free to send it my way. I'll let you guys know what my PayPal information is. But point is, $290, you could be saving that. And within this video, I want to introduce Ebates, which is now owned by Rakuten. And I just wanted to give a shout out to my homie Auden, who put me onto this. I think it's been around for a while. People have been doing this for a while, but I'm pretty new to it, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys are new to it. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. But if you guys are unfamiliar what Ebates is, it's basically a rebate site for online e-commerce stores. So almost any store you can think of pretty much is affiliated or linked to Ebates, and it's basically a Chrome extension you can just add to your Google Chrome browser, and with one click or sometimes automatically it activates cashback bonuses. So with our specific example and our e-commerce store, which is Alibaba, Rakuten also has an actual bonus and refund, or not refund, but Ebates benefits with Alibaba, and that cashback bonus is 3%. So as mentioned earlier in this video, Alibaba takes 2.9% for credit card charges. Now that means they take $290, let's say for a $10,000 order with that example, they take $290 out, they charge you an extra $290. So with Ebates, they actually give you 3% of that subtotal bonus, or subtotal. So with a $10,000 order, they actually give you 3% back. So what is that difference? So you're actually benefiting 0.1% on that actual purchase, meaning you're actually making $10 on that $10,000 purchase. Now you guys may be thinking, Andy, $10. That's not much. That isn't much, but you guys aren't losing any money. Now, that's not the entire point that I want to get to you guys. So in the past, you were actually charged at 2.9%, meaning you were down an additional $290. Now with Rakuten's and Ebates 3%, you're actually up 10 bucks, meaning you're not losing anything. But in the past, you weren't really benefiting from those credit card bonuses, and you were actually going negative even if you were getting those credit card bonuses. Now you're actually benefiting from them by using a credit card. In the past, I used to shy away from using credit cards just because of that 2.9 fee. So I would try to wire transfer, especially if it was a big shipment over X amount of dollars. So using a credit card wasn't worth it because the points wouldn't make up for it. But now, since you are actually making money from Ebates, you're actually benefiting from your credit card points as well. So let's say you have a 2% cash back on whatever cards you're using. That $10,000 order now puts an additional $210 back into your pocket because you're making that 0.1% from Ebates as well as a 2% cashback or whatever cashback or point card you have. So super beneficial. So that may have been a little confusing for you guys. I know if you're not a credit card geek or credit card point geek like me, this may be a little confusing, but definitely rewatch this video to get some more clarity if you guys have to. Just know that you should download Rakuten Ebates, especially if you're making orders via Alibaba Trade Assurance, because it'll benefit you in the long run. It basically negates those fees because you get that cash back via check from Rakuten, and you also get to benefit from the credit card points. You don't always have to result to wiring money. So I know in comparison to a $10,000 order, $210 isn't super much, but it definitely adds up. And over time, when you're ordering much larger orders and multiple orders, this money definitely adds up, especially when you're making such large orders. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, save some money, put some money in your pocket. Gave you a new perspective on credit card charges, especially for Alibaba Trade Assurance. Definitely, again, shout out to my homie Auden for putting me on this and putting the Prestige fam onto this benefit of Ebates and credit cards and charges and everything. So thanks again. Thank you guys again for tuning in and staying to the end of this video. If you guys are interested in the free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, comment down below, #Prestige Amazon FBA, and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, as always, drop them down below. And thank you guys again for tuning into this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.